offer to buy Twitter for 43 billion. Some we all know already, right? Nothing new. Okay, fair enough. And of course, recently they did a filing on 14th of April. The filing itself, this is the exact email, yeah, the real exact email, yeah. I invested in Twitter as I believe in its potential to be the platform for free speech around the world. And I believe that free speech is a societal imperative or a functioning democracy. Okay, blah, 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 blah. I'm offering 100% of Twitter share at $54.20. Okay, that's 54% premium over the day. All right, and of course, 38% over the investment that he did. Okay, he mentioned that this is the best and final offer, and if it's not accepted, he will reconsider his position as a shareholder. Now, this is where it gets very interesting. Okay, I will need to reconsider my position as a shareholder. Meaning, are you telling me, Elon, if they're not going to accept this, you're going to dump all your shares and bring the share down? This is very possible, right? Now, losing a few $1 billion is not a lot of money to Elon Musk, right? But if the share price comes down or lose of confidence, right, this will hit the entire board really bad. So this is a very important statement. Twitter has extraordinary potential. I will unlock it. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. Okay, so Twitter board replied with a poison pill. Now, poison pill. What is poison pill? Poison pill is a method known in the financial world that allows existing shareholders to purchase freshly issued shares in a company at a discount to the trading price. Effectively making any possible buyout plan extremely costly and prohibitive for the party planning a hostile takeover. So seriously means, in short, okay, it basically means that there'll be new shares, diluting. So by diluting the share, now if Elon Musk can, when we want to basically go and get 50% more of the share, right? Now he'll pay more money. And whatever his cost previously also become lesser. So that means that, right, it's usually a way to prevent hostile takeover. Now, the thing you must understand is this. Usually, when you do a dilution of this, it will hit both sides, right? The current shareholders will be hit, all right? And of course, the one who do hostile takeover will be hit. Now, if the hostile takeover person has limited cash, then this strategy will likely make the person move away, back off. Because maybe this guy is on margins buying or leverage buying or leverage borrowing. But Elon Musk now is the richest man on earth on paper. Seriously, I think many banks were more than happy to go and leverage on it and give him money. So, which means that the diluting of the funds doesn't really help. It doesn't really help. And do you know that, right, the current float now that's available for Twitter, the available float now is worth about $56 billion. Now, if you look at Elon Musk now, his wealth is $300 billion. Seriously, by right, in a way, he can afford to really go and take the market off. But of course, if you keep on taking this, as more float goes on the market, right, everything he goes in, right, maybe from now it's about 15%, they dilute him to 10%, example. Then after that, he maybe buy, go to 15% again, they may do the same poison pill again. So what will piss off will be the other side of people who really want to get out. And then what happened? They will sue back the board and say, you know what? Hey, hello, excuse me. People are paying a premium over you, no? They don't say undercutting you. They pay you a premium. And he's Elon Musk. He has basically created incredible history for himself. All right. So now the price is $45. Now this Twitter share will be below $50 for the longest of time already. So what's the problem with that? So what will likely happen is the investors other than Elon Musk may turn around to sue the board. So the thing is now straight away someone unearthed this for the market and say, oh, wait. Elon Musk at the time when he was taking Tesla private, right, was forced. Okay. So apparently a court filing last Friday says a judge ruled Tesla CEO Elon Musk knowingly made false statement when he tweeted about a private takeover, right? Remember that in 2018? Remember that? So at the time he was saying that to bring this car maker to 420, all right? So he's trying to basically taint him and say that he was wrong. So of course, the thing is this, my friend. Back then, he's not even a top 50, all right? Now he's the richest man on earth. Hello, what am I talking about? Totally different thing altogether, okay? And totally about 43 billion. Oh, so if I'm wrong, not 56, it's 43, my bad. Okay, so the thing is this: if they really want to go around this, so according to his Anthony, right, this will take easily a long time. So don't waste time. Okay, so of course there's a trial date coming in now, but it's going to push back for sure. No need to see it. Okay, so what I'm trying to say now is this: do you think so that Elon Musk will actually be bothered by this? Come on, man, he's not going to be bothered, lah. Let's be honest here. So he's the guy with the EVs. He is the guy with the satellite, all right, Starlink. He is the guy with the space rocket. He's the guy who's now making wave, and he has more fans than you can ever think of. Now, you do know that Elon Musk itself, right, is the number 8 person in the world in the Twitter account. The highest one is Barack Obama, Justin Bieber, Katy Perry, Rihanna, Cristiano, Taylor Swift, Lady Gaga, and then followed by him. So in short itself, right, in terms of businessman level, he is the top. Okay, he's better than Modi and even Ellen Jones. So the thing is this: he wrote that Taylor Swift has not posted anything in 3 months. Okay, Justin Bieber only posted one this year. Okay, so you see that itself, right? Imagine if Elon Musk now can do some tweaking on this and he climbs upwards. My goodness. Imagine the time the Dogecoin, when he created that wave itself, right? So many people got caught by that. If he's going to be able to use Twitter to do what he likes to do, which is just like what Donald Trump did last time, oh my goodness, you cannot imagine how crazy this will be. So that's the reason why good and bad for Elon Musk to take over. But the thing is this, the question is this: what's going to happen? Now, if this is going to happen, it's going to be a poison pill coming in. Then what Elon Musk can do is say, okay, you want to do this, right? Okay, I take my losses. I don't mind. Let the price slam down to maybe $22, $20. And then what happened? I buy from there again. Let's see how many rounds can you play in me before you succumb to it yourself. It is possible. And of course, if that happened, right, this actually the ball will throw back to the court of the board of directors, because a lot of investors will get very pissed off with their strategy, and this is going to kill. So that's the reason why I felt that, right, that is something to do with Twitter. I think that Elon Musk may actually win this battle. Yes, he may lose a couple of $1 billion, but if he really go for it, it's all right. There is a high chance that he will win this one, because really, you cannot play with a guy who is so popular, has the money, and most important, it's all right, the people are actually behind him. The people are actually behind him. So let's look at Twitter share right now. Let's take a look. Okay, this is a share of Twitter. Let me just change it to monthly first. Let's show it to you. Now, this is a share of Twitter since 2014. Now, where is $54.20? FYI, it's here. Yeah. Okay, can you see that? That means that, right, this share, 70 to 80% of time, this share is below $54.20. The lowest it went, I think, is somewhere around here, about $14. About $14. So now with current climate now, not that fantastic, right? To be offered at $54.20 does looks a bit good, yeah? Because near-term wise is all right. Twitter also not doing fantastic. In fact, before Elon Musk thing come in, right, you see Twitter share been coming down all the way from $71, dropped all the way to $81, down by more than 50%. So if now someone is like Elon Musk can come in, I think that people will likely stand with him. They may not like his guts and doing some stuff, but definitely this will help. So I suspect what will happen is that likely we will see a gap closing soon. That means the gap of here about $40 will be closed off. Okay, it'll be closed off. Yeah. Then after that, it may drop lower because of whatever reason. Pressure, margin call, cut loss, all this happen. Then maybe Elon can buy from it again, maybe. Now, Elon Musk been buying here around in this area here, about $36 to $38. So it's nothing fantastic, yeah? So if you want to really bring it down all the way, below the cost, then at least there's some money to make. Can you see that? Okay, so that's what I feel that might be happening for this particular counter. Okay, all right, let's go into something more important.